Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me. I have a outgoing Happy Mail project share to show you guys in this video, and it's a Valentine theme Vellum Pocket Happy Mail that I will be sending off to 6 of my really wonderful crafty friends, and they don't know that they're receiving this really fun Happy Mail, so I'm hoping that they're going to like what they receive. And these lovely ladies are also subscribers of mine here on YouTube, so they're probably watching this video right now as well, so you will be getting one of these in the mail. Hopefully it will, I'm not too sure, it may not arrive there in time for Valentine's Day. I know it may take about 4 to 6 weeks to arrive to you, as it is going internationally. So if I'm lucky, it may get to you in the week of Valentine's or maybe a week after, but hopefully it will arrive to you guys safely. And you will enjoy what you receive. So this video is just sharing with all of you guys what I have put in the really fun vellum pockets, and also to give you some idea as well of what you might want to put in your little Happy Mail packaging goodies for your crafty friend. And these vellum pockets were inspired by this larger size one that I had shown you guys in my last video. I did a tutorial on how you can make this really fun vellum pocket with a tool shaker and a side pocket and an extra pocket insert on the back as well, and it's really easy to put together. I will put the link to my tutorial and how I created this really fun pocket as well. I did have some of these available in my shop as well. I'm not too sure if there are left any in stock, but you can have a look and see if it's still there and what you can get inside the pack as well. And then it comes with this cute little embellishment, and all you do is just pop it out, and then your recipient can then reuse it on another project. And I just use a little foam dot just to stick the little embellishment. So I decided to make a smaller size pocket, and these were the smaller ones that I made, and I've got their initials on here. So I've got 5 here, but I've got another one, and I'm just going to show you how they look like because I didn't finish packaging the 6th one, and I wanted to show you this really fun project before I send them off in the mail tomorrow. But it turned out really lovely. I love the way they turned out and all the embellishing that I'd done, and the paper I used to make the pocket and to decorate it is, so I did use the Eco Park collection. It's the Cupid and Co paper collection. It's a really lovely paper. It's double-sided. I did purchase this from an Australian craft supply store called Sassy Scrappers. I'll put the link to that store down below as well, so you could also have a look and see if they may still have some of these available. But this is the paper print, and I just love the red and the pinks, and it's double-sided, so I could decide what papers I want to use. And then I purchased this piece of 12 by 12 so I could fussy cut the images individually and then use them to embellish. So that's the back. As you can see, I've already sort of started pre-cutting some of the images. This is another one. I just think it's so cute. It's really, really lovely prints. And then there's this one as well. I fussy cut these one out as well, and then I use them in some of the embellishments that I've placed in the pockets, and I'll show you as well. And this is the other one, and then that's the back with little red lips. So they're the papers that I use, and then some of the other papers I use from just other papers from my stash. But this is the pocket. Again, you can see that the size is a little bit smaller. And then I was able to get 3 pieces out of 1 piece of vellum paper, which is an A4 size vellum paper. And then I just cut it into 3 pieces. So that's this one. And they're all the same inside, just different. No, sure, they're all the same. Just some of the embellishing is a little bit different, I think. I can't remember. But this one is the same. You just pop it out just gently, and then they can reuse this if they wanted to, but this is a little gift for them with their initial. So that's how it looks like. And then this is the tool sequin shaker window. And then over here is the side pocket. And I'll just put these ones to the side and I'll show you what I've got inside these ones. So I've got in this side pocket a little envelope that I made with just some cute little fun goodies. I'll just show you. And what I've done with these, I stamped the images and then used a heart punch to punch out the little stamped heart. And there's a few in here that I stamped, and then there's a couple of little heart stickers in there as well that they could use. And I've also got some of my word sentiments that they could also use if they wanted to in their little projects. And then they can reuse this little envelope as well. So that's that one. So they all get the same goodies in each Happy Mail gift. And this is an embellishment pack that I made, which I've got to put together. So I'll just show you on here. Out of the seal. So this is a little flower, and I used a gold glitter cardstock and punched it with a heart punch. And this is the little image that I fussy cut from the paper collection, which was this one. So some of them will have a different word on their embellishment, and this one here I made this one myself. This is from a different paper collection. I think this is by Pebbles. It's an older Valentine's theme collection. I think it's probably a year old. So that's that one, and it just goes in there. And then on the top here is the top vellum pocket, and then I'd made another embellishment, and that's with the little truck image, which was this paper. So it's this one. And then I just used one of my tab die shape bag topper to make it as a bag topper. And I'll show you how that looks like without it in the package. I don't have that here with me, but what you do is when I take it out, this is some crepe paper that I layered with 6 layering, and then all they do is they just peel each one up, and then it'll create a ruffled flower, crepe flower. So just gather each one up. I did a video not too long ago as well on how you can make these ruffled crepe paper to make it into a little flower, and I just keep doing that and ruffling it up, and then it will bunch up and then create this cute little puffed up crepe paper flower. And then they can use this on a bag topper if they like, or add it to a pocket, use it to finish off a flipbook cover or on a card. So there's a lot of ways they could use this embellishment, and I try to keep it as not too much of a Valentine theme embellishment, so then they can use it on other projects other than Valentine theme. And I also put in here some treat bags using one of my dies. This is just a different paper collection again from my stash, and then they can use that to add some goodies for their Happy Mail. And then on the back I also decorated the extra pocket insert that you could add more goodies, and this is also from the same paper that I also fussy cut, which I haven't got it here, but I just fussy cut that around. I added a gold puffy heart, and again this is another piece that I fussy cut, and then placed some red crepe paper on the back there. And then this is the embellishment that I made, that I placed in the pack. I'll just take it out to show you what it looks like. So this is how it looks like. I did share some of these embellishments on my Instagram page, and you can also have a look on my Instagram as well. Isn't it really cute? I laid everything up, and this is a mesh die that I have, which I did show you in my last video, and it was purchased from In Love Art Shops, but they've sold out of this die. so I'm unable to link that die for you. And then I just made another bag topper, and again fussy cut some of the images, and that's that one. And I just place it in there, and I just use another piece of red paper to make it into a Valentine theme as a, just for the background for the packaging, just to make it look a little bit prettier. And they just take it out from the bottom, and then they can reuse the self-seal bag again on another project if they like to, or use it for another, to package their own goodies. So that fitted nicely in there. So I just want to share with you this really fun Valentine theme Happy Mail that I'm going to be gifting. So I'm just working on one more to finish off, and then I'm going to send this off tomorrow, and hopefully they will enjoy it. So this is the sixth Happy Mail gift that I'm going to gift, and this is the little piece I'm going to attach to the front. And then I've just got to package the embellishment pack, and that will complete this one, and then I can send them all off. So it's just a fun little Happy Mail Valentine theme project share for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this really fun video, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.